Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with a very amazing script of HyipLab investment website. So this is the HyipLab latest version script 5.7. So viewers, in this video I will completely show you how you can make this website from scratch. So be with us and watch this video till the end and I'm gonna guide you completely about this site. Before moving towards the video, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to buy this script from us or if you want us to build this complete website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description of this video and we will make this amazing investment website for you, which has multiple templates as well, which means you can change design from admin panel anytime you want. So first of all, here you can see this text, etc. logo. These things are changeable from the admin panel, so you don't need to worry about anything. Here is about us section. So if you want to change the about us according to your business, you can change that as well. Here is investment plan section. So you can see there is currently only one plan, and if you wanna invest in this plan, you can just click on it and invest in this plan. So here in this side, you will get features of staking investment and other pool plans also. So be with us and watch this video till then, and I'm gonna guide you about that. Here, why to choose us? You can list about your own site. Here's a profit calculator where user can calculate the profit of his plan. And here is how it works. Like create account, investment plan to get profit. Frequently asked question section. And here you can list all your team members. You can list all your transactions will be appeared over here. All investors will be appeared over here. Payment gateway, if you want to list the blogs from admin panel, so you can list the blogs as well from the admin panel. So here, this is the complete homepage of the site, and if you want to remove any section, you can remove that as well. And viewers, if you buy from us, you don't need to worry about anything. We will provide you complete support with it. And here you can see that I have hosted it on my subdomain, and then I'm giving you the demo. So if user want to visit these pages separately, like about page, plan page, user can visit these pages separately as well in a way user wants. So here's a blog page, so user can visit all these pages separately, and there's a contact page where user can like contact the admin of website. Here, if you want to change the language, you can change the language as well. Currently, there is only one language, but if admin wants, admin can insert multiple languages from admin panel. So user can use it in multiple languages. And so this is all about the home page. Now let's go to user panel. So here, this is the login page. User can log in with Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, and here just sign in to his account. If user don't have an account, user can go to a register account. So user can register account by filling these simple details. Now we currently already have an account, so we'll just log in with our existing details. So we'll enter our username, and here I'll enter my password. When I click on login, it will log me into my user dashboard. So here you can see that I have successfully logged into my user dashboard of this website. So this is an amazing dashboard, and this is a completely responsive website both for mobile and laptop. Mobile users can also use this site easily. So here you can see your total deposit balance. You can see interest balance, total invest, total deposits, etc. Referral earnings will show here. Here you can see all your latest transactions and deposits. Everything will transaction will appear over here. So now here's investment sections. Here user can invest in plans, staking plans, pool plans, and schedule plans. Here I'll go to plan section, and this is a demo plan. So if user want to invest in this plan, so user can invest with the deposit balance. So here click on yes, and amount is invested in plan. So here you can see that here our capital is now invested in plan, and after this time our profit will be added. So you can see like 100% return for this plan is for 7 days, and you will get 100% return every day. In total, 700%. So this is how you can create these plans from admin panel. So I'll completely show you how you can make these plans. So here is a staking plans. So user can just invest in staking plans. You can click on stake now, and user can stake his money. Currently, I have not made any staking plan, but we can make them from admin panel. Similarly, here's a finance. So if user want to deposit money on the website, currently there is only one gateway, but if admin wants, he can use automatic payment gateways or any manual payment gateway of any country you want. So here you can just enter the amount, and user can just click on confirm deposit and upload receipt to deposit money. And when admin will approve your deposit, the amount will be added to your account. Here's a withdrawal section. Similarly, user can withdraw his money. Currently, I have not created any withdraw gateway, but I'll show you how you can do that from admin panel. Here's transfer balance option. So here, user can transfer balance from one account to another. Similarly, you can see all the transactions that are on your website from here. So you can see here's the referral section. So in referral, can see your referral link, and by using this link, you can invite different people, and they all will be appeared under your referral. So here's account. You can change your profile setting. You can change your password. You can see your ranking. You can see your 2FA security. You can generate support ticket, and you can log out. So currently, this was all about the user panel and website homepage. Now we will go to the admin panel and we will see how we can completely control and manage this website. So in order to go to admin panel, you have to type /admin after the link. So now we are on our admin login page. Here I have to enter my admin credentials in order to log in. So here I have to enter my username and here I have to enter my password so I can log into my website. So let me first log out from here. Let me log out and then we can log into admin panel. So we'll enter my username and here I'll enter my password. And now you can see that we have successfully logged into our amazing admin panel of this HyipLab website. So first of all, here you can see the total users on the website, total active users, email unverified, mobile unverified users, total deposits on the website, withdrawals, each and everything will be shown you over here. Total investment, total interest amounts, and all these things you can see it over here. Currently, our website is newly created, so there is not much investment, etc. Because I'm just giving you a demo. Here you can see all the notifications on your website. You will get all notifications over here, and here you can see all the investment report in this section. So you will be able to see all investment reports, and you can track all these things over here. So here you can see So here you can track all the investment related things over here. So you can see all the investment report over here. Here's the deposit section. So when a user will request a deposit, the request will come here and you can approve it or reject it. So here's the pending deposits. So when any user send a deposit request, so here the request will come here and you can approve it or reject it. Here you can see all approved deposits, successful, rejected, all those things. You can see it over here. Is the withdrawal section. So same like deposit, the withdrawal request will come here and you have to approve it or reject it. And you can track all the withdrawals and you can view their histories. Here in users, you can inactive users. So if I want to go to details, so I can add balance to any user account, I can add it. If I want to subtract balance, I can subtract it using these functions. I can change the details, I can ban the user, whatever I want to do, I can do it from here. I can also verify the KYC and 2FA turn on off from here. So these were all the user related things. Here you can send notification to all the users. Here in support ticket user, we can communicate with the users from here. So this is how we can communicate with users using the support ticket. So in report, here you can see all the transaction history report, login history, notification, and invest history over here. In manage staking, so here you can create staking plans. So if you want to create a staking plan, click on duration, create duration and trust amount, and you can simply create a staking plan from here. And here you can see all stake invest and statistics of stake invest. Similarly, you can create pool plans and see pool investments and their statistics. In system settings, basically in general settings, here you can change the name of website to any other name you want. Suppose I want to change to script smasher. My name is changed, so you can see it over here. The name is changed. You can change the currency to PKR, INR, or whatever currency you want to use, NGN. So you can change that from here. If you want to change the color of website, you can change the color of site as well. Similarly, some other settings are here like balance transfer charge, staking minimum maximum amounts. You can just choose them and change those things from here. Here's a logo and favicon. So if you want to change the logo of the site, just click on it and you can simply just change the logo from here. Here's the system configuration. You can turn on or email verification, force SSL, KYC verifications, mobile verifications, staking, pool invest, etc. You can turn them on off from this section. Here's the manage plans. So currently I have created only one plan on the website. You can see the $100 plan. But if you want to create a new plan, click on add new, enter the name of plan, range, so minimum, maximum invest limits, and enter the percentage and lifetime or like repeat. So you can create the plan from here in a very simple way. So it's very easier to make a plan on the website. That's not a very big thing. And here's a manage referrals. You can create multiple levels of referral commission on deposit, invest, and interest commission. So you can create them and you can use them. You can set the rankings, so you can give user bonus on certain investments. So this is all the ranking thing, so you can create it from here. Here's a holiday setting. You can turn on off interest on holidays, and similarly from manage templates you can change the template of website. Suppose I want to use the dark hype template, so let's see whether our template is changed or not. So you can see our template is now changed to another template. So this is how you can change the template in just a single click. You don't need to worry about anything, and you will get all those templates and you can just change them in single click. So it's a very amazing site. So if you want to purchase it, you can just contact us and you can purchase this from us at a very reasonable price. From payment gateways, so all these automatic payment gateways are available: Binance, crypto gateways, Bcash, PayPal, and all these are available. So if you want to use them, you can use them. Otherwise, you can create a manual gateway. So in manual gateway, there is only one gateway, USDT. Click on add new, and you can add a new manual gateway simply from this section. Here's a withdrawal methods. So similarly, same like deposits, you can create a withdrawal method here. It's a very simple and easier way to make the withdrawal deposits. It's just a simple thing. You can do SEO of your website directly from here. You don't need to go anywhere else. You can just do SEO directly from this section. Here's manage front end. So you can manage the complete front end from here. If you want to edit the banner, so you can edit the complete banner section and text, headings, whatever is on the banner, you can edit them. Similarly, if you want to edit any other page like about page, so you can edit the about page as well. So it's very simple and easier to change each and everything is on the site. You don't need any coding or technical knowledge in order to manage all these things. You can just manage them directly from here. Similarly, you can manage KYC, social login setting. If you want to insert multiple languages on the site, just click on add new and you can add the multiple languages on this website. And similarly, extensions, cron jobs, GD, you can turn on GDPR cookie from here. And this was all about the site. And viewers, in this video, I completely gave you the complete overview of the site. And if you want to purchase this, you can just contact us and buy this from us. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.